Welcome to Chapter 10 of Atomic Habits by James Clear. This chapter is titled, How to Make a Habit Satisfying. We have learned how to make habits obvious, attractive, and easy. Now, James Clear reveals the importance of making habits satisfying, because we repeat behaviors that feel good and avoid those that don't. Human behavior is driven by immediate rewards. If a habit brings satisfaction right away, we are more likely to continue it. But many good habits, like exercising or saving money, offer rewards only in the long term. This delay makes them harder to stick to. For example, going to the gym may feel tiring at first, but the long-term benefits are health and strength. Saving money requires patience, but over time, it builds security. James Clear emphasizes that to build lasting habits, we need to add small, immediate rewards. Here are some ways to make habits satisfying. Use a habit tracker. Seeing progress motivates you to keep going. Celebrate small wins. Reward yourself in simple ways after completing a habit. Use positive reinforcement. Associate good feelings with the habit. James Clear reminds us, what is immediately rewarded is repeated. What is immediately punished is avoided. So, to create lasting change, make your habits feel good in the moment. To summarize Chapter 10. Habits are formed and repeated because they are satisfying. Immediate rewards help maintain habits better than delayed benefits. Use tools like habit trackers to see progress. Celebrate and reward yourself for small successes. Make the habit experience enjoyable to ensure long-term success. Thank you for listening to Chapter 10 of Atomic Habits. Now that you understand how to make your habits satisfying, in the next episode, we will explore how all 4 laws of behavior change work together as a complete system to help you build lasting habits and continuous improvement. Until then, try adding a small reward to one habit today, and notice how that feeling of satisfaction can motivate you to keep going.